Thank you so much. I love you too. Thank you. Thank you. It really means a lot.
This is brilliant. Whatever we've seen on that big screen. Of course, I'll talk to you. लेकिन उससे पहले मैं अपना काम थोड़ा आसान कराऊं. I would want you to do the honors and invite your leading lady here. Of course.
जो हमें यहाँ पे सपोर्ट करने आए हैं, अब मैं बुलाना चाहूंगा उनको जिनके साथ काम करके मुझे बेहद मजा आया. और आमतौर पे लोग मुझे पूछ रहे हैं, लोग उनसे पूछ रहे हैं इंटरव्यूज में, क्योंकि प्रमोशंस चल रहे हैं, कि उनको मेरे साथ काम करके कैसा लगा है. इन 4-5 महीनों में उतना शायद ही मैंने अपने 21 साल लंबे करियर में सीखा होगा. तो प्लीज, जैसे मैंने कहा, टू माई फ्रेंड्स इन द मीडिया, टू ऑल आवर वेल विशर्स हु आर हियर, गिव इट अप. And I've had the privilege of knowing you personally as well. And I really want to just ask you one thing with just one word, because I know what this means to you. Finally. How does it feel? Give it up for Shania Kapoor. ये इसका जवाब अब ये देंगी. And I am so happy to see you on this stage. And please, the world is yours, the stage is yours from here on. Please, कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
Thank you. Firstly, I just want to say thank you everyone for coming and showing so much love. I think when we entered today and we were walking on stage, I saw so many photos and the posters, and I was noticing everything. So thank you. That really means a lot. And I think for all of us, I think especially when we're facing the camera, I think this is all that we're waiting for, is your approval and your love and your acceptance. So thank you so much. This is just the start, but to show so much love already means a lot. And
बस हो गया.
I've not said anything about you.
Oh my God.
No, but I'm feeling a lot of gratitude. Very grateful to be here. और finally मैं यहाँ हूँ. मैं अपना ट्रेलर देख रही हूँ. मैं यहाँ बैठी हूँ PVR में, और मैं हर फ्राइडे PVR जाती हूँ. Salt, caramel popcorn mix, Coke के साथ. I'm always on the last row. Q17, 18, 19 is always our row, and I'm always sitting and I'm watching films. I've grown up watching films, and now I'm finally part of it. And I think it means a lot that we're here. I think PVR, honestly, I really means a lot to me. It's like where I've grown up. So to see myself on this big screen, it was like a... That's it. That's all I'm feeling.
Wow.
Calm.
We are all feeling you equally. बस मेरा इतना ही काम था ना, या आगे भी इंट्रोड्यूस करना है?
I am loving it. मतलब मेरा बस चले, मैं कहूँ आप ही लोग कर लो.
हाँ, हम टेक ओवर ऐसे ही कर लेते
ये
हैं.
प्रॉब्लम है. हम आज एक इंटरव्यू कर रहे थे. हम they were going to prompt us questions. हम कहेंगे अच्छा हम prompt करेंगे and then you ask the question. हम अपनी दुनिया में चले गए. हम like I think time.
और 20 मिनट का टाइम था, 40 मिनट तक बोलते गए. लास्ट में फाइनली
इशारे आए
कि बस करो, अभी जाना पड़ेगा.
और जो आप मेरे पेट पे लात मारे हो, अच्छा हुआ अभिनव बीच में आया. बहुत अच्छा हुआ. ऐसे ही होना चाहिए था. ओके, इससे पहले कि ये बातचीत आगे बढ़ाएं, it again.
You guys have made a phenomenal movie. I've seen it, guys, and from the bottom of my heart, it's just beautiful. So show my baby all the love. You've shown Vikrant Nabas. Show my baby now. Show her all the love. And more blessings. That's all. Thank you.
Whatever we've seen on that big screen is gorgeous.
Your idea of love, because here in this trailer also, as we see your character, she finds it difficult to move on, and in today's time, people keep on moving on from relationships very easily. This character shows that it takes time to move on from a love that you have found.
I mean, for me, I think love is friendship. I think love is all about being friends with that person, and I don't think that I ever define love with someone that you're with as a partner. I feel love is with your family, it's with your friends, it's with your little dog. It's love is everything. It's a universal feeling, and it's that one feeling across the world. Everyone feels and everyone connects to and everyone understands, no matter where you come from, which part of the world you live in. Love is a very, very universal feeling. And yes, I think, of course, in our generation, there is this tendency of moving on quicker, and there is this sense of detachment, but I'm not that kind of person. I love the feeling of love. I love love in all ways, and I don't think it's defined with just being with that one person. So, yeah.
ठीक है, आपने किससे सीखा?
ऑब्वियसली मैंने विक्रांत से बहुत कुछ सीखा है. एक्चुअली ये बहुत ही जेनरस एज यूजुअल बन रहे हैं और वो कह रहे हैं कि उन्होंने मुझसे बहुत सीखा, बट genuinely I think one thing I've always said about Vikrant, which I learned from him a lot on set, is that he's a very, very giving actor. I think कभी-कभी आप जब एक सीन कर रहे हो या आप एक इम्पोर्टेंट मूवमेंट दिखा रहे हो कैमरा के सामने, आप सिर्फ अपने बारे में सोचते हो कभी-कभी, अपना लाइन क्या है, कॉस्ट्यूम है, मेकअप. और I think Vikrant has taught me that it's not about just you, it's about a scene as a whole. और think about the background action, think about that line, about your lines, आप कैसे फील कर रहे हो, आपको क्या लगता है, should we do it like this? He's never made me feel that I'm the new actor on set. He's treated me as an equal artist, which I think is, I was just very grateful, and like I'm filled with gratitude that I got this chance कि मैं कैमरा फेस कर सकती हूँ with an actor like Vikrant Massey. I always get very emotional when I say it, but it's true. I think acting बहुत ही give and take है. Vikrant gives the world, so yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that's all we have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much.
She is so passionate about cinema. She's not told me I love you since past 3 years. By the way,
ये तो इनसे
you know.
शिकायत.
So हाँ, तो I think आपको इसको बोलना चाहिए मुझे, at least tell me I love you. Now that the film is made, we've gone through all the.
हो जाए?
इसको
You have to.
इसको आई लव यू नहीं बोला है, मुझे पागल बना के रखा है.
सर ये गलत जाएगा, वैसे मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको. आप संतोष सर आप डायरेक्ट कर दो जरा इनको भी कैसे.
आपकी फिल्म की लाइन है, राइट? पागलपन क्या है? दुनिया की परिभाषा है, जो लोगों को नहीं समझ में आया पागलपन.
भाई ये लोग इतने पैशनेट हैं, प्रोड्यूसर्स तो इतना पैशनेट, एंड दे आर इन द कैरेक्टर्स ऑलरेडी. सो मानसी आपका काइंडली डू द ऑनर्स. नो
I told him कि picture super hit होगी तब I love you to
और इतना कंडीशनल लव.
और 2 हफ्ते रुकने के बाद.
Of course, fingers crossed.
Meet again after 2 weeks, yeah.
मैं बोल देता हूँ अरुण सर, I love you. मेरे से काम चला वो भी. Okay, now ladies and gentlemen, would like to invite.
बढ़िया 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 लगा. All the best, all the best. Hit है movie, hit up.
Thank you.
Bye Sanaya.
Guys, let us see it, guys.